7月 July 7月July 7月有31日 July has 31 days 7月有31日
沙灘巾 beach towel 佢最鍾意有卡通人物嘅沙灘巾 She loves the beach towel with the cartoon characters on it. I have my 沙灘巾 here. Look.
龍舟賽事 Dragon Boat Race 龍舟 is Dragon Boat 龍 is Dragon 舟 is like boat ship so 龍舟賽事 Dragon Boat Race every year there is one super big Dragon Boat Race in 2018 is on June 18th and every year is a different date depending on the festival so check it out when you're in town the Dragon Boat Race and people would dress up and cheer for the team and some company would send their employees to compete in the Dragon Boat Race. It's a super big carnival there so if you're in town don't miss it but it's gonna be very hot so be prepared. 赤柱龍舟賽事 The Dragon Boat Race at Stanley.
Next word is 比堅尼 Bikini 今年夏天興一件頭多過比堅尼One-piece swimsuits are more fashionable than bikini this summer. I agree, there are so many like really cool cutout one-pieces this year. So I'm looking forward to get one for myself. 防曬霜 sunscreen 防 is to avoid, 曬 is to tan, and 霜 is like ointment or cream. So 防曬霜 sunscreen. 搽防曬霜可以預防皮膚癌。You can prevent skin cancer by putting on sunscreen. That is also what Hugh Jackman promotes, I heard, because he has experience of first stage of skin cancer, I heard. So he always tells people to put on sunscreen.
冷氣 air conditioner 冷氣 air conditioner 好熱嗰陣，我哋會開冷氣。When it's hot, we turn on the air conditioner. 好熱嗰陣，我哋會開冷氣。太陽 sun 太陽 sun 太陽由東邊升起。The sun rises in the east. 太陽由東邊升起。
沙灘排球 beach volleyball 去沙灘除咗游水仲可以打沙灘排球 Besides swimming, you can also play beach volleyball when you go to the beach. I think sometimes there are people playing beach volleyball here. Let's see. I'm not sure if you could see people playing beach volleyball over there, but yeah, people are playing beach volleyball.
泳衣 swimsuit 泳衣 swimsuit 一件頭泳衣 one piece swimsuit 一件頭泳衣
水上電單車 jet ski 好多遊客都鍾意去泰國玩水上電單車 Many tourists like to go to Thailand for jet skiing. I used to go to Thailand for wakeboarding but never tried jet skiing. I think I'm afraid that I would crash.
夏天 summer 夏天 summer 夏天係全家度假同溫暖天氣嘅日子。Summer is the time of family vacations and warm weather. 夏天係全家度假同溫暖天氣嘅日子。
喺沙灘散步 to walk on the beach. 喺沙灘散步 To walk on the beach. 喺沙灘散步 to walk on the beach. So a lot of people are walking on the beach right now. So they are 散步. Maybe they're having a date. I don't know. 散步 is like to have a walk, to stroll. So 喺沙灘 is at the beach. So in a sentence, 佢哋有時喺沙灘散步執下貝殼. They usually take a walk at the beach and collect seashells. Yeah, some people, every time they go to the beach, they would pick the best seashell, take it home as a souvenir. And they put it in a nice bowl. I don't think I've ever been on a date, like walking on the beach kind of date. Have you? Let us know. So the next word is 太陽眼鏡, sunglasses. See, I have 太陽眼鏡here. 去沙灘記得帶太陽眼鏡. Remember to bring your sunglasses when going to the beach.
酷熱 extreme heat 酷熱酷熱 extreme heat 避免酷熱天氣 avoid the extreme heat 避免酷熱天氣
晴 sunny 我鍾意晴天 I like it when it's sunny 我鍾意晴天
人字拖 flip flop 人 is like people, but because of the shape, it's like this. So a slipper with the shape that holds onto your feet like that is called flip flop. 去沙灘着人字拖，方便又舒服。It is convenient and comfortable to wear flip flops to the beach. I did not wear flip flops today though. 暑假 summer break. 暑假 summer holiday or summer break. 好多學生都喺暑假做兼職。Many students work a part-time job during the summer holiday. 喺暑假做兼職 we also call it 暑期工。暑期 is like during the summertime, and 工 means work. So the work you do during summertime is 暑期工。泳衣 swimsuit. 我最鍾意嘅泳衣係比堅尼。My favorite swimsuit is bikini. I think that's what most people like. 太陽 sun. 太陽落山啦 the sun is setting. 我哋要喺太陽落山前返營地。We have to go back to the campsite before the sun goes down, or else it's too dark. Next, 貝殼 shell. Is there any 貝殼? I think this is a 貝殼. Parts of a 貝殼, parts of a shell. 呢個係我親手做嘅貝殼首飾。This is my handmade seashell accessory. 棕櫚樹 palm tree. 夏威夷嘅棕櫚樹同沙灘最迷人。The palm trees and beach in Hawaii are the most fascinating. I've never been to Hawaii. I want to go too.
8月 August 8月 August 8月好熱 It's hot in August 8月好熱
太陽眼鏡 sunglasses 太陽眼鏡太陽眼鏡 sunglasses 平價太陽眼鏡 cheap sunglasses 平價太陽眼鏡
沙灘 beach. 沙 is sand, so 沙 is sand, 沙灘 is beach. 呢間酒店好近沙灘。This hotel is very near to the beach. And we are on English Bay today. Look. And the sun just set.
熱 hot 熱 hot 我沖個熱水涼 I take a hot bath 我沖個熱水涼曬太陽 to get a tan 夏天最好去沙灘曬太陽、游下水同睇下靚女。It is the best to go to the beach, take a swim, and check out the pretty girls on the beach. I guess a man wrote this. I don't need to check out pretty girls, but yes, that's a good thing to do. Swim at the beach, and get a suntan and enjoy outdoor. 6月 June 6月 June 6月婚禮 June wedding 6月婚禮。
Next 游水 swimming 游水嘅好處就係可以保持苗條。The advantage of swimming is staying slim. See, I'm slim, but I don't really swim that much. Do you like swimming? I used to swim a lot, but not anymore.
西瓜 watermelon 西瓜 watermelon 唔該，可唔可以幫我切西瓜啊？ Would you please cut the watermelon for me? 唔該，可唔可以幫我切西瓜啊？
沙城堡 sand castle 沙 is sand 城堡 is castle 好多細路喺沙灘砌沙城堡 Lots of small kids are making sand castles on the beach 浮潛 snorkeling 珊瑚灣係遊客嘅浮潛熱點 Cory Bay is the hotspot for tourists to try snorkeling Next
沙灘 beach 沙灘 beach 呢個沙灘有鯊魚網 This beach has a shark net 呢個沙灘有鯊魚網